I went to Sephora and I spent way too much money on Olaplex. This was $30, this was $60. I thought this was $30. It was all the way on a top shelf and everything else was $30. So I was like, this is probably $30 too. It was $60. But I was like, whatever. I need something that's going to help my very damaged hair. I have bleach damage. It started to, let me show you, break off mid-shaft. Do you see how some of these pieces are shorter than the rest? That's because it's breaking off. See? Yeah, and it's like, it's thin towards the middle because it's literally just snapping off in certain pieces. See how it's thinner on the bottom? That's because all the hair is snapping off right here. We don't want that. So what I'm thinking happened was I was bleaching my hair for a little over a year and I think I just didn't add enough protein back into it. I was trying to moisturize it. I thought that would be enough. I didn't really know that much about protein or what products to use, so that was my bad. Don't make the same mistake. But this is a bond protector and this repairs and strengthens. So hopefully these will be enough to stop it from breaking anymore so it can continue to grow. I will probably eventually cut it, maybe in another few weeks when I feel like it. For now, let's figure out if these are going to do anything and how I'm supposed to use them. This one says use once per week or 2 to 3 times for damaged hair. Apply on damp towel-dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair for best results. Shampoo with Olaplex No. 4 and condition with Olaplex No. 5. I wasn't about to buy the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. That's just too much money. This was $95. Okay. This is the number 3. You're supposed to use it before shampooing. It's not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. It says that specifically on the back. If you don't have damaged hair, I don't think this is really going to be for you. You probably don't need it. Unless you're like bleaching your hair a lot, then I can see how this might help from getting too damaged. And then this is number 9, Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. A weightless, antioxidant-rich, multi-benefit serum that provides pollution protection to perfect and protect all hair types and textures. Frizz control, anti-static, detangling, bounce back memory. Apply small amount to damp towel-dried hair, working upward from ends to root. Add more as needed. Air dry for soft texture, blow dry for smooth finish. Diffuse for waves or curls. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my head in the shower. I have a detachable shower head, so I'm just going to wet my hair and let it says apply to damp towel-dried hair, so I'm going to wet it, let it dry a little, then we're going to put this in. Okay, it says to use enough to thoroughly saturate it from root to tip. First thing, take off the seal. Is it so hard? One thing about these products, you don't have to worry about them being tampered with. Sheesh. Has a very light smell. Nothing into your face. You can barely smell anything. Okay, I think that was a generous amount. I used like, what, 3 or 4 squirts. They were about a quarter size squirt each time. The thing with these expensive products is like I'm afraid to use them because they're so expensive. I don't want to waste them. I don't want it to be gone in a week, you know? But at the same time, you have to use them because that's the point. If you don't use it right, don't use enough, it's not going to work. So I kind of got to get over it. It feels like it's in there, pretty good amount. Leave a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. So set my timer for 10 minutes and then I'll get in the shower, shampoo and condition it, and then we'll move on to the number 9. And then I let my hair air dry because I never liked heat styling it, so it is what it is. It's probably a good thing because then it would be more damaged if I heat styled it. Okay, out of the shower, my hair is damp. When I rinsed it out, it felt really silky and smooth, and right now feeling it, it feels pretty soft. Now I'm going to put in this number 9, the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Antioxidant-rich serum improves manageability, smooths, and protects for all hair types. It says only to apply a small amount to towel-dried hair, working upward from ends to root. Add more as needed. Did I already read that? That looks a little gross. Okay. Put it between my hands. I feel like this one has slightly more of a scent to it, but it's still very subtle. I feel like I don't need more than that, really. I feel like that covered most of it. Maybe I'll put some more in the middle layer of hair, just a tad bit. Brush it through, just be on the safe side. That's all I'm going to put in my hair for now, just to see how these 2 products work. And when my hair dries, I'll be back to show you the result. My hair is dry, it's the next morning, and it honestly hasn't looked this good in months. So it works, and I'm a little mad that it works because it was $95. So hopefully by the time I'm done with these products, my hair is better and I won't have to buy any more. But it's a lot softer, it looks shinier, it looks smoother, less frizzy. I will say some of the hair at the bottom is still a little rougher, but I mean, I only used it once, so hopefully over time it'll get softer and less coarse because my hair's not, you know, naturally coarse. But it looks really nice. It looks so shiny. These products work like they're supposed to. Good job, Olaplex. If you've ever used Olaplex, let me know how you liked it and which ones did you use. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you subscribe and come back for more. Next video I might chop off my hair. We'll see.